Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the TechPort. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you small-size all-terrain vehicles that are on another level. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this.
They say that one reaches peak happiness when in unison with nature. What can be better than sitting near fire, breathing the smell of the forest, and perceiving the calm and beauty of the wild? Unfortunately, remote and isolated places are not always reachable. There is, however, a solution to this problem, and that is TinkerTrack. The TinkerTrack is a versatile all-terrain vehicle that can replace a snowmobile, swamp buggy, quad bike, a boat, or even a tractor. hunters, fishermen, and those who enjoy active recreation will appreciate the ability to go anywhere in any season by driving a powerful and easy-to-use Tinga track. The size of a Tinga track is 300 centimeters long, 190 centimeters wide, and 126 centimeters high. One of the main advantages of this vehicle is its ergonomics. Tinga ATVs are made of high-density polyethylene. This innovative material is much stronger than steel. Additionally, polyethylene does not rust, so a regular coat of paint is not needed, and nicks won't show up on the body of the vehicle. Your adventure will be more enjoyable because you won't have to worry about dents from stones or trees. With a Tinga track, there are no obstacles and nothing can stop you. Steel-reinforced strong rubber tracks with high grouses give the Tinga track great rugged drivability. Swamps, muddy roads, creeks, bushes and small trees won't impede you. Nothing will stand in your way. Wide tracks reduce specific pressure on the ground, which lets the Tinga track handle any terrain. A double cord makes breakage impossible and minimizes strain on the caterpillars, which are made of special high-resistant seamless material. So, with the Tinga track, you hold everything under your control.
Would you like to go wherever the hell you want? Using its self-inflated tires, Russia's Sherp ATV can give you that pleasure. It will climb over obstacles as tall as 27.5 inches, swim with ease, turn like a tank and look awesome in any situation for only $49,000 worth of rubles. The Sherp is Alexei Garajashian's brilliant invention. It weighs just 2,866 pounds dry. So while it might only have a 44.3 horsepower 1.5-liter Kubota V1505 4-cylinder diesel linked to a 5-speed manual, it will still do 28 miles per hour on land, or 3.7 miles per hour in water, depending on the wind. It will also crawl at up to 9.3 miles per hour in first gear. With its giant custom tires and the skid steer, it can also turn in its own length, which is 11 feet. And as long as the trees ahead are at least 8.2 feet apart, this crazy two-seater will find a way through them. While it comes with a tough polymer coating and a 15.3-gallon fuel tank as standard, with a bit of extra money, you can equip yours with anything from a high-power generator and a light bar to a trailer and a hardtop. A McLaren F1 and this, and you're done. You don't need anything else.
Polaris fought their way back into showroom supremacy with the introduction of the 72-inch wide RZR XP Turbo S in 2018. The first Turbo S came with live valve Fox podium shocks that are electronically controlled, along with all new body styling, a strengthened drivetrain, immersive cockpit, and long travel suspension with an industry first factory installed 32-inch tall ITP tires. The Turbo S brings the infamous RZR capability and multi-terrain mastery to a whole new level. For 2019, Polaris created a more affordable version of their top-tier machine, the RZR XP Turbo S Velocity. This UTV has a turbocharged 925cc parallel twin-cylinder engine, providing 168 horsepower. The muscular low RPM output will throw you deep into the seat and pulls hard through the rest of the power range. The ProStar engine is mated to a fully automatic CV transmission with belt cooling upgrades. Polaris's on-demand all-wheel drive system auto-locks the front differential when the ECU senses rear wheel slip. Triple piston front and dual piston rear caliper hydraulic disc brakes slow the RZR down with ease. 19 inches of wheel travel comes from high clearance dual A-arms up front, while the trailing arm rear sports 21 inches of travel. 16 inches of ground clearance and long travel suspension help this RZR tackle the roughest terrain. Carving corners is made easy by a 72-inch track width. 16 inches of ground clearance and long travel suspension help this RZR tackle the roughest terrain. One way Polaris was able to lower the Turbo S's price point was to swap the electronically controlled Fox shocks for Walker Evans Velocity needle shocks. These 2.5 front and 3.0 rear piggyback reservoir shocks let you dial in your compression setting, are preload adjustable, and come with a dual rate spring setup. We feel that this setup comes stiff from factory and requires a lot of break-in time. Fortunately, these shocks are easy to modify. Polaris left off lower door inserts, the roof, front and rear accent lighting, painted fascias, a Sparco steering wheel, and the ride command system that the original S comes equipped with. However, color matched seats and 4-point harnesses still come stock. All of these changes to the Velocity lowers the starting price point of the Turbo S from $28,199 to $25,399. Go to dirtwheelsmag.com to find out more about the 2019 RZR XP Turbo S Velocity, or go to Polaris.com to check out their whole lineup of impressive ATVs and UTVs. Don't forget to keep up with us on Instagram at DirtWheelsMag or at Facebook.com DirtWheelsMag.